Hi, I'm Josephine Bush and I'm here to tell you why you should apply to Data Platform Summit. I presented at DPS 2021. It's an excellent virtual venue. The DPS team, Amit, Arthi, Satya, are all very pleasant and professional. They asked me to pre-record my session, and then this session aired at a specific time. I joined and I was able to chat with participants as they watched my session as if it was live. And it was nice to see how many people were in the room, so to speak, and to be able to answer their questions on the fly. The virtual conference was really enhanced with this chat experience, almost as if I was presenting live. I've applied again this year to give a session, and I hope to see you there too.